Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the animation to text template in CapCut PC. So you can see if you add the text template, you cannot find the animation option. For example, go to text, select text template, and select template you like to add to your clip. Yeah, drag. So you can see there's no animation you can add to your text. But if you want to add animation to text template, you are just going to select clips and right click and select select the clips, right click and create component clip, and here you can find the animation option. Just click on it and select in, out, and or combo animation, for example, and you can see for the final result like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.